Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make oatmeal exfoliating scrub. So now, benefits of oatmeal for the skin: much more than just a healthy breakfast. Oatmeal actually gives us much more to be excited about. Oatmeal is naturally rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and lipids. Many scientific studies have been carried out on the benefits of oatmeal and demonstrate that oatmeal has sustainable effects like moisturizing effects. It significantly improves skin dryness and roughness, and this lasts even after use of oatmeal containing products. So now we are using about 30 grams of our oatmeal, like so. We don't need much because this will be only for 1 to 2 applications. And you have to make sure that you blend it or you chop it to kind of fine powder. So blend it to a fine powder. So we are done. That is how it looks like. And so now we are going in with our honey. So about just a tablespoon of honey. And then we are going in with 15 mils of our distilled water. You can use whatever water you have, and make sure that you mix it well, blend it well. Mix until it's well combined and well blended. So that's how it looks like. So now, like we have just washed our face with some lukewarm water, and then we are just going to apply it gently. And you have to make sure that your hands are very clean before doing this. So like we just scoop a little and then keep rubbing it all over our face gently. So benefits of oatmeal: like it helps to keep the skin hydrated, forming an occlusive layer to the surface of the that and retains water in the skin. It allows natural and gentle cleansing of skin due to the presence of saponins. It provides gentle exfoliation, imparts moisturizing, soothing, conditioning, and nourishing qualities, significantly improving skin dryness and roughness. It helps reduce skin inflammation, making it ideal for treating inflammatory skin conditions. It has antioxidant properties due to the presence of different types of phenols, including ferulic, caffeine, and it's non-irritating and has low allergic potential. It's suitable for all skin types such as acne, eczema, psoriasis, containing flavonoids that are strong UV screen. So it's responsible, and it's actually very cheap. It's available, you know and it's less cost. It doesn't cost much. So like actually exfoliating can improve the appearance of your skin. It can leave your skin looking brighter and improve the effectiveness of topical products. Yes, so like you have to make sure that you leave it on for 5 minutes before rinsing. So like regular exfoliation can help prevent clogged pores, resulting in few breakouts, and long-term exfoliating can increase collagen production, which is the key to glowing skin. So the protein also promotes the skin elasting, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and related sagging. So now, like we've just rinsed our face, and you have to make sure that you moisturize. So we are going in with carrot oil. You can check out the video which we did yesterday on how you can make cold pressed infused carrot oil. So rub it gently on your face. So like, dear friends, I really appreciate you for watching my videos, and to my 29 actually subscribers, I'm so grateful for your love and your support. And to my viewers, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I know that one day you are going to subscribe. Yes, so look, don't forget your lips as well. Look, our face is really glowing naturally. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, God bless you. See you in my next video.